Hello friends. Well, today we are going to see how to add YouTube channel description, links to other websites and add contact info using your computer. Please consider subscribing. Let's open up our browser and search youtube.com. This is before we customize. You can click here and go directly to customization or follow the steps. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click Customization. Click on Basic Info. Type in your description by saying what your YouTube channel is about and what it have to offer. Click Add Link to add link. Let me add my Instagram profile link. Copy it. Paste it here. You can add up to 5 links. Select how many links you want so to appear on banner image. Then go to Contact Info. Here you can add your email. Publish and see how it turns out to be after customizing. Here you can see your link. Then here is your description and contact info email. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.